Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to check the Easter event leaderboard in Fisch. So in this latest Fisch update, there's a brand new Easter event with some really cool exclusive rewards. And if you want a chance to get those special rewards, you need to pay attention to the event leaderboard. And to check it, just head over to Easter Island first like this, and then once you arrive, just go near the main pond in the center of the island, like this, and then just go this area, this one. In here you can get the leaderboard, and this leaderboard tracks players who manage to catch Easter mutation fish during this event. And here's the important part: if you manage to place in top 500, you will have a chance to get the exclusive rewards like maybe special rod skin or other limited event items. And so if you want those rare rewards, make sure you keep fishing during the Easter event and try to climb the rankings. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.